Oh, hey, what's up everyone? I just finished the build. I had to do it in 24 hours, so kinda tired right now. Tired, see, I can't even say tired right. So yeah, let's take a look at the build. Or let's see the parts. This is what I used. So Corsair RM650X, got the 1070 from Asus. We also have the ROG Strix Z370. There you go, Z370E gaming, and a Core i7 8700K. We also have a 970 Evo 250 gig. Yes, that's right. For the memories, we have this XPG. It's RGB and it's got water in the tube. So here's how it turned out. I had to do this real quick. See? You can't see it. It's dark in here. It's raining in the Philippines. Let me try that again. There you go. So it's dark. It's back up there. So, yeah. It's water cooled from, or yeah, the CPU. And just the CPU is water cooled. The graphics card, it's not. I can open this. I hope I don't break it. There you go. So that's this quick and simple loop. Alright, let's put this back. This panel, it lights up. See that? This whole panel because of this. There. Am I gonna break this? Let's find out. It locked. Yes, it didn't break it. So it's lowered. Okay, there you go. Alright, so yeah, let's switch this thing on and let's see how it works with the lights on. And I'm going to install the operating system as well with the use of that little Raspberry monitor. Alright, so that was it for the quick build on this InWin 303. It's the Asus ROG Edition case. It's got RGB lighting all around, so that's a lot of fun. Well, you can make good use of RGB anytime anyway with the use of Aura Sync. So you don't always have to, or your PC doesn't always have to spit out rainbows or rainbow colors, whatever. Alright, that's it. Thank you very much. Bye.